Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in Dallas, and last night we had a downpour. I could have used this then, but I'll show you guys what it is right now. And this is by CAMEL Crown, and it is a waterproof, windproof jacket. So this is it here. Oops, dropped something here. What is this? Oh, just the silicone, that little dry stuff. So this is what it looks like here, and it looks nice. It says CAMEL Crown on there. Let's open it up and try it on. And so the inside is nice and soft looking. I got a size large. I'm about 190 pounds, so let's see how this does here. I might have gotten a little too big of a size, but we'll see. Actually, if I'm wearing a sweater or something under it, it would be good. And for a rain jacket, it's nice. So let's see, the zipper works really nice. I won't zip it up all the way just because I have my microphone there, but it's got this soft stuff right here, so that would be good when it's up there. And then it's got a hood as well, and then it's got the strings that you can pull on the hood to tighten it up, so you can really tighten it around your face like that. So that's comfortable. And then here you got the big arms, but then it's got the Velcro, so I could make it small so it fits right around there. You could do that on both sides here. So that is cool. It's got a pocket here. Oh, that's a nice big one. Look at that. I can fit my whole hand in it straight, so I could fit a nice big phone. So if you have one of the bigger phones, you could probably fit that in there, no problem. And let's see. And then it's got pockets on the sides here, which are good size as well, about the same size. And you can see this is what it looks like on the back. And the bottom has a string as well, so I could tighten it up as well. If I pull on that little ball, it'll tighten up that, so I could cinch up the bottom as well as the hood, and the arms do their thing as well. I'm going to just make it bigger so I can take it off. And so let's look at this here a little closer here. Let's see, these are the ones that tighten up the side there. And on the inside, you can see it's got the little logo and a little design in there, which looks nice. And I like this. It's a nice jacket, so I'll be keeping this one around. Like I said, I could have used it last night, but it rains here a lot, so this will be handy. Nice jacket for sure. So thumbs up.